Do you think losing strength with age is inevitable? That's a myth, and science has already proven it wrong. Your body is not designed to waste away with time. Muscle can be restored, mobility can be maintained, and muscle regeneration can be activated at any stage of life. If you've noticed that your body feels weaker, that climbing stairs or lifting weight isn't as easy as it used to be, the problem isn't age. It's the lack of the right stimulus. The good news? There's a science-backed routine to stop muscle loss and reverse the damage. No empty promises, no extreme methods, just the right exercises at the right intensity to help you rebuild your strength, improve your quality of life, and ensure a long, active, and healthy life. And the best part? You can start right now. Ready to transform your body and your life? Then pay attention. Today, you'll discover a proven workout routine designed to combat muscle loss, restore strength, and improve mobility. We'll cover the best exercises for maintaining strength at any age, step-by-step progressions for beginners and advanced levels, how to maximize results without unnecessary strain or injury. Whether you're 40, 50, or 60 plus, these science-backed exercises will help you move stronger, better, and pain-free for life. Most people believe that once they hit a certain age, it's normal to feel weaker, lose balance, and struggle with daily activities. That belief is wrong. The real reason people lose strength? Inactivity. If you give your muscles the right stimulus, they will grow stronger. If you challenge your body intelligently, it will adapt. With just a few minutes a day, you can reverse muscle loss, improve your mobility, and even boost longevity. And it all starts with a simple but powerful movement. Number 1. The plank, the core of strength. One of the simplest yet most effective exercises for maintaining a strong, functional body is the plank. Despite its simplicity, the movement provides incredible benefits for core strength, stability, and posture. A strong core isn't just about having visible abs. It plays a crucial role in daily life. Every time you walk, stand, sit, or lift something, your core muscles are engaged. When weak, they lead to poor posture, back pain, and reduced mobility. Why core strength matters? It improves posture while walking, sitting, and standing. Protects your spine when carrying groceries or lifting objects. Prevents discomfort from prolonged sitting, especially at a desk. Enhances balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls. Yet most people ignore their core strength until they start experiencing pain or injuries. The solution? Proactively strengthening it before issues arise. How to start? Wall plank. Stand facing a wall, placing forearms at chest height and engage your abs. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds for 2 to 3 sets. Sofa plank. Rest forearms on a seat. Extend your legs back and hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Traditional floor plank. Once comfortable, level up to the forearm plank, holding for 30 to 60 seconds for 3 to 4 sets. Want a challenge? Try lifting one leg or arm to increase muscle activation and stability. Result? Improved core strength, reduced back pain, better balance, and a more resilient body. Number 2. The row, your back's best friend. A strong back is essential for mobility, posture, and overall quality of life. While many people focus on building their chest, arms, or legs, the back is often neglected until it starts causing pain or weakness. Your back muscles play a crucial role in daily movements. Think about how often you pull open a heavy door, lift a grocery bag or a child, push yourself out of a chair or bed. Each of these actions relies on a strong back. When your back muscles are weak, these once simple tasks become increasingly difficult. Over time, this leads to poor posture, stiffness, and even injuries. Strengthening your back now will help you move pain-free and effortlessly in the long run. How to start strengthening your back? No matter your fitness level, there's a row variation that works for you. Beginner? Start with household items like water bottles, bags of rice, or a backpack filled with books. Perform bent over rows by holding the weights in both hands, keeping your back straight and pulling them toward your torso. Intermediate. Progress to dumbbells or resistance bands. Use controlled movements, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of each rep. Advanced. Take it up a notch with single arm rows, barbell rows, or cable rows for maximum muscle activation and strength gains. Result: improved posture, increased strength, reduced risk of injuries, and better performance in daily activities. A strong back supports your spine, enhances balance, and ensures long-term mobility, making it your best friend for life. Number 3. The push-up, a full upper body builder. The push-up is one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for strengthening your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Despite its simplicity, it provides a full upper body workout and has real-life benefits. Think about how often you push yourself up from the floor or bed. Hold or carry heavy objects like groceries or luggage. Support your body weight when playing with kids or pets. Without upper body strength, these everyday activities can become challenging over time. A strong chest, shoulders, and arms make lifting, pushing, and stabilizing your body easier, reducing the risk of injuries and improving posture. How to start building upper body strength. Not everyone can drop to the floor and do a perfect push-up right away. That's okay. The key is to start with an easier variation and gradually progress as your strength improves. For beginners, wall push-ups. Stand at arm's length from a wall, place your hands on it, and lower your chest toward the surface. Push back up, keeping your body in a straight line. Aim for 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Next, incline push-ups. Place your hands on a couch, table, or sturdy surface to increase the intensity. Keep your core engaged and lower your chest, then push back up. Traditional push-ups. Once comfortable, move to floor push-ups, keeping your body straight and core tight. Key tip: progress gradually. Your body adapts over time to increased resistance. Result: stronger upper body muscles, improved posture, and better functional strength, making daily tasks easier and reducing the risk of injuries. Number 4. The glute bridge, your lower back's best support. Your glutes and hamstrings are the foundation of lower body strength and stability. Weak glutes can lead to poor posture, lower back pain, and reduced mobility, affecting everyday activities. Think about how often you sit for long hours at work or while driving, stand up from a chair or climb stairs, pick up objects from the ground. When your glutes are weak, your lower back and hips compensate, leading to discomfort, stiffness, and even injury over time. Strengthening your glute muscles helps take the pressure off your lower back, improves posture, and enhances overall balance and mobility. How to strengthen your glutes and lower back. The glute bridge is a simple yet powerful exercise that activates the glutes, hamstrings, and core while supporting lower back health. Beginner. Lie on your lower back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels, squeezing your glutes and lifting your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for a second, then slowly lower back down. Perform 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Intermediate. Once comfortable, hold at the top position for 3 to 5 seconds to increase muscle engagement and maximize contraction. Advanced. Add weights, like a dumbbell or barbell, on your hips, or try single-leg glute bridges to challenge stability. Key tip: focus on squeezing your glutes at the top to activate muscles properly. Result: reduced lower back pain, better posture, stronger glutes, and improved overall balance, making daily movements easier and pain-free. Number 5. The squat, your foundation for mobility. Squats are one of the most important movements for building lower body strength and maintaining functional mobility. Whether you're climbing stairs, getting out of a chair, or bending down to pick something up, squatting is a movement pattern you use every day. A strong lower body helps with climbing stairs effortlessly without feeling winded, standing up from a chair without using your hands for support, preventing falls and joint pain by improving stability and balance. As we age, leg strength declines, making daily movements harder and more exhausting. The good news? Regular squats can reverse this process, making your legs, hips, and knees stronger and more resilient. How to start squatting with proper form. Beginner. Start with a chair-assisted squat. Stand with feet hip-width apart, lower yourself slowly onto a chair, then push through your heels to stand back up. Aim for 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Intermediate. Progress to freestanding squats by lowering yourself down as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your chest up, knees in line with your toes, and back straight. Advanced. Hold weights like dumbbells or a kettlebell, or use a resistance band around your thighs for extra challenge, muscle activation. Key tip: focus on controlled movements rather than speed. Engage your core and ensure your knees don't collapse inward. Result: stronger legs, glutes, and joints, improved mobility and independence, and a lower risk of injury, allowing you to move freely and confidently in daily life. Number 6. Heel raises, the secret to stability. When people think about strength training, they often focus on their legs, core, and upper body. But what about the calves? These small but powerful muscles are crucial for stability, balance, and mobility. Strong calves help with walking and climbing stairs without fatigue, maintaining balance on uneven surfaces, preventing falls and ankle injuries by supporting proper movement mechanics. Weak calves can lead to instability, foot pain, and even knee problems. By strengthening them, you improve your ability to stand, walk, and move efficiently, especially as you age. How to strengthen your calves. Beginner. Seated heel raises. Sit in a chair with feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your heels, keeping toes on the ground, then lower them back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Intermediate. Standing heel raises. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Lift your heels as high as possible. Pause at the top, then slowly lower down. Perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. Advanced. Single leg heel raises or step raises. Stand on one foot and perform a heel raise, engaging your ankle and core for balance, or perform raises on a step to extend your range of motion and challenge your muscles further. Key tip: perform movements slowly and with control to maximize muscle activation. Result: improved balance, endurance, and lower body strength, helping you move with ease, stability, and confidence in everyday life. Number 7. Cardiovascular exercise, your heart's best friend. Your heart is the most important muscle in your body, and just like any other muscle, it needs regular exercise to stay strong. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as aerobic exercise, is essential for heart health, endurance, and overall well-being. A strong heart means more energy for daily activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, improved circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, better endurance so you don't feel out of breath doing simple tasks. The best part, you don't need to spend hours at the gym. Just 20 to 30 minutes of movement a day can make a significant difference. How to start your cardio journey. Beginner, walking for 20 minutes a day. A simple low-impact way to boost your heart health. Walk at a comfortable pace, and as you progress, try increasing your speed or walking on an incline. Intermediate, dancing or cycling. Dancing is a fun way to get your heart rate up while improving coordination. Cycling, whether stationary or outdoors, strengthens your legs and cardiovascular system without putting too much stress on your joints. Advanced, running or high-intensity interval training. If you're ready for a challenge, running provides maximum cardiovascular benefits. HIIT workouts, which involve short bursts of intense activity followed by rest, can significantly boost endurance and fat burning in a short amount of time. Key tip: the secret to long-term success is progression. Start small and gradually increase intensity. Result: a stronger heart, improved stamina, and better overall health, allowing you to enjoy life with more energy and confidence every day. Simply moving isn't enough. A structured plan ensures consistent progress. That's why random workouts don't work. You need intentional exercises designed for maximum results. If you're over 40, you must train smarter. Now that you have the only science-backed routine to stop muscle loss, what will you do with this information? Will you let time take away your strength and independence, or take action now to reclaim your mobility, strength, and vitality? Small, daily actions create big transformations. Your body can and should be stronger than you think. Age is not a limit. It's an opportunity to build a better, stronger you. Start today. Pick an exercise from this list, try it, and feel the difference. Then, let me know in the comments which one was the most challenging for you. If this content resonated with you, subscribe and turn on notifications. Here, you'll always find real, effective strategies for maintaining strength, health, and longevity. Your best years are still ahead, but only if you take action.